So guys, how to flip text in HTML? It's really simple. On the left side we have our basic code and on the right side we have our output. To flip text we can use any tag we want. Let's use the div. Give it a class name, class, suppose flip me. Then go to the style section, call for the class dot flip me, opening brace, closing brace, give it some space, then inside write transform clone scale y first bracket -1 closing bracket semicolon, then write display clone inline block semicolon. With this our div will act as a inline block element and warp around the text. Now save the file and reload. See, it's flipped vertically. Let's give a line break so that we can see everything clearly. Save, reload. To flip horizontally, just change from Y to X. Save, reload. See, it's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.